Hey everyone, welcome back. If your RBC app is stuck on loading and never opens, follow these steps. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for RBC mobile app and then swipe it away. Then reopen it after a few seconds. Next, swipe down and turn on airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off to refresh the network connection. Now, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Check if RBC is performing maintenance by waiting a few seconds or minutes before reopening the app. If the problem continues, long press on the RBC app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, head over to your app store, search for RBC app, and then reinstall the app from there to refresh all app files. A network refresh or reinstall usually removes loading screen issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.